Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. This is B1 Certificate, GOETHE Certificate B1 Lesen Teil 2. In this tile, I will tell you how to attempt and how can you score good marks in Lesen reading section. So first of all, this is Tile 2 A part. Tile 2 has two parts A and B. So this is A part. You will have a text like this, Ein Dorf für grüne Energie. This is the title. Always read the title carefully so that you get an idea what this text talks about. And then there are, you can see, three questions. Zero is Beispiel, example. So you cannot ignore examples. You must read example also. Like the Biogasanlage produziert Strom und Wärme. Means this is about the renewable energy, or this is about the energy resources. Okay. Ein Dorf, a village for green energy. So in this text, we basically read about the energy. Okay. New energy source. What is that? Before starting with the reading, you should read the question. Question number 7. 8 and 9. There are three questions. So this seventh question, in diesem text geht es it is always like this. Means seventh question is always like this. The text is all about. Means this text talks about what this text is all about. This is about seventh question. So for that you need to read the entire paragraph completely. So quickly you can read this entire paragraph. And do not try to understand each and every word which is difficult for you. I can understand. Nobody can understand, okay, the text in just one attempt. So for that purpose, you just need to look at the main parts and you can understand the important words like Strombedarf, the need of the Strom energy. And then Mithilfe, with the help of a modern Anlage means equipments. Biogas. So this energy is generated with biogas. Okay. And biogas, Abfall von Tieren. Biogas means Abfall. Okay. The dung, cow dung, buffalo dung. And this is generated with the help of a motor. Okay. Motor burns the gas and generate warmth. Okay, this is the idea. This is the idea of bioenergy Dorfs in the University Göttingen. Göttingen is a very popular city in Germany, in the center. And then Wissenschaftler means scientist. Scientists wanted to show, what they wanted to show actually, that ein Dorf, a village completely can be, okay, provided with erneuerbaren energy, means renewable energy. We can generate this renewable energy and fulfill the need of a complete village. Okay, the need can be fulfilled with this new resource. And of course, it's a contribution, Beitrag. It's a contribution for environment. Einen Beitrag zum Klimaschutz. Klimaschutz means to protect environment. Of course, this energy is clean and green, so it is not harmful like coal. So they are saying further that this biogas Anlage, this biogas plant, can generate double energy, wie die Gemeinde verbraucht, as the required by the village. Means so much energy can be produced with the help of this biogas plant that not only one village but also the need of another village can be fulfilled. And then they are talking about further that this is the scientist Eckhard Meyer. Okay, Eckhard Meyer has said something about this Strom energy here. Now after reading this much, you can quickly go to the question, like seventh question. In diesem Text geht es um. So now we have idea. Die neue Technologie von Eckhard Meyer? No, this is not correct. This is not the energy of Eckhard Meyer. Die umweltfreundliche Stromproduktion einen Studiengang an der University Göttingen. So this text is always about only the study? No. About the technology of Eckhard Meyer? No. So answer B. B is the correct answer. Okay. So like this, you can first eliminate the wrong answer. Okay. You can figure out what is the wrong answer, and you can see here the B is the correct answer. B is the correct option. Die umweltfreundliche Stromproduktion in Feldheim. So this text is talking about basically the environment friendly energy production in Feldheim, in this village. It is not about the technology of Eckhard Meyer. This text, if you read once again, this is not talking about the technology which has been discovered by this Eckhard Meyer. No. And this is not a study of a university. Moreover, it is about the environment friendly strom production. Environment friendly, okay, energy production with the help of biogas plant. So you have to eliminate first the wrong answers, like we have done. A and C are wrong here. Okay, so you have to find out, you have to eliminate the wrong answer. Then you can easily find out what is correct option. Next, question number 8. Die Wissenschaftler wollten zeigen, the scientist wanted to show that. Now here are three options, A, B, C. So what they wanted to show, first we'll see what is the wrong answer. It is easier to find out wrong answer. C is wrong. Man größere Menge Strom sparen kann. This is wrong. Scientists did not want to show that there is a big amount of energy can be saved. Spar and save. They are not talking about energy saving. Then A and B. Now you have two options. Now you have to figure out the correct answer. A. Ein ganzes Dorf von modernen Energie leben kann. Yes. Ganzes Dorf, a complete village can live with this modern energy. Means the need can be fulfilled. The need of a complete village can be fulfilled. And B. Eine Biogasanlage mehr Strom produziert als ein Dorf braucht. A biogas plant produce more energy than a village need. They said this thing also, but primarily the scientist wanted to show this. You can see here, top right side, Wissenschaftler war es zu zeigen, dass es möglich ist. It is possible. It is possible, okay, to fulfill the requirement of a Dorf completely with this erneuerbaren energy, with this renewable energy, with this new energy resource. So this is the reason, okay, this is the correct answer. So here A is the correct answer, B is wrong. And now see third question, question number 9. Damit die Idee auch in anderen Dörfern funktioniert, so that this idea functions in other villages. Other villages can also get such kind of energy. What is required? Benötigt man viel Geld? No, that is wrong. They are not talking about the money, that it requires lot of money. So option A is wrong, completely wrong option. You can figure out. Now we are remaining with two options, B and C. Braucht man genug Platz für die Technik? One needs enough space. No, they are not talking about space here. They are not talking about the place and the space requirement. C option, muss die Bevölkerung dafür sein. This is correct. Bevölkerung means population. The people of the village should be in favor. Means their support is important. It is mentioned here, if you see. Last line. Man benötigt allerdings vor allem eines, aktiv und begeisterte Einwohner. So here Einwohner means inhabitants, the people who are living in the village. And here the word is Bevölkerung. So likewise you will find some similar words, okay. you have to be very careful about the similar words. So befölkerung here, and in the question the word is, if you see the question word, this is, and here Einwohner. So Einwohner and Befölkerung, these are synonyms, same word. So this way you can improve your vocabulary also. Now important thing is that all the answers, like all these three answers, 7, 8, 9, you will find in a row, you will find in a sequence, you will find in order. Like answer of 9th question you will find in the last, answer of 8th question you will find somewhere in the middle, like right side, and answer of 7th you will find after reading the complete text, after reading the complete paragraph. So this is important thing in this Teil 2 Lesen B1 Goethe certificate. I hope you have good understanding after reading this. You can watch WORTSCHATZ video given in the playlist, and you can improve your vocabulary, which is very, very important. You have seen not all the words are important to know, but you should be able to understand at least few words which are necessary to answer the questions. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.